Okay, everybody, here we are. Let's give this a try. I hope it works. But I've seen a lot of posts on my Facebook groups asking how to make your photos into collages so you can print them so that you don't have to, not everything has to be a 4x6. You can get two 2x3s out of a 4x6. There's all kinds of things. So I use this app called Picstitch, and it is for your phone and your iPad. I prefer to use it on my phone, but it works on the iPad. It is free, and you can use it on Android and iOS. And the first thing you're going to do when you open it, here it is, you're going to pick a collage. Now, I basically pick the one that's highlighted in blue or this one. Those are basically the two that I pick. But you can see you have 1,800 million choices or something like that. And so that one's highlighted. Here we go. I click it. Here it is. Two things you got to fix. The aspect down here. Now, I'm using 4x6 photos, so I either want them to be horizontal or vertical. And in this case, I want it to be vertical. The second thing is a border right here. And for some reason on my phone, I can take the border down to nothing, and I can't do it on the iPad, which I don't understand. But just to show you how it works, you can have a huge border or a tiny border. So you can get rid of the border if you want to. So those are the two things. Aspect and resize is what I'm sorry, aspect and border is what I deal with. There's other things you can do. I don't do it. You can play with it if you want to. Anyway, where there's a plus sign, you click it, and then you're able to choose some photos. Probably, maybe. So over here are my photos. I'll pick this one. Oh, come on. Come on. No, it's not letting me pick it. How come? Are you kidding me? I'm not going to buy this. I got that. Okay, boom. Oh, there we go. Aha! Okay, we got it. I'm not going to edit this photo, so done. Yeah, okay. I'm good with that. Now I am going to move it over a little bit. And then we'll choose this one. Oh, you got to click, make the box blue. Okay. And then drag it over. There we go. Sorry. Takes me a minute. Loading full-size photo. Tap to cancel. There we go. Come on, load it. There. And I don't want to edit this. So there we go. And there it is. Okay. The last thing you have to do once you've made your collage is export. Okay, this is an ad. Just yeah, I don't want an ad. X out. There we go. Save to photos. And that's where you're going to print them from. So, there it is. Let's do it one more time, and let's do it this way. Start over. Yes, please. Okay, so aspect. We need to do 4x6 this way. And then my border, which I can't change any more than that, but that's okay. And now I click on till it turns blue. Sure. Yep. Come on, buddy. You can do it. I don't want to. Okay. Well, this is weird. Oh, there we go. All right. And let's just do the same photos just because. Yep, we're good. Launch photo editor as you add photos. No. There we go. And then this one's going to be blue. This is weird. I don't usually have this trouble with this iPad. I don't know what's going on. Let's just try that. Oh, just pull it over. Okay, sorry. I'm a ding-dong. And let's bring him up. We don't, oh, that looks weird with that guy's face in the mirror. We'll do that. Okay. And then again, you export it to your photos. And then I'm going to show you how I print to my photos while we're right here. I do have an Epson PictureMate 400. So I go into my photos up here and I pick one. Okay. And then up here where the little arrow and box are, you get this thing, and if you scroll up, you get print. And it says no printer selected, but it's looking. I just turned the printer on. You probably can hear it. There it is. Okay, gathering. The printer is out of paper, and yes, it is. I know that. I got paper right here. Put that in. And change 4x6, premium glossy, done. Okay, and now it's got paper, and I'm going to tell it to print. And here it comes. So, like I said, it's picstitch. There are tons of other photo editors, but I really like this one. I think it's pretty simple. I think it's pretty easy. Now, if you don't want to print from home, you just send those, where are they? You just send those collages into Walgreens or Snapfish or whoever you use, like this, and it will come back like this. Like it's going to come out of the printer in just a second here. And I wanted to show you. And I will show you in just a minute. If you happen to like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, I would love that too. I'm not very good at, well, I'm getting better, so that's good. I hope you have a great day. Here comes the photo. If you wait just a second. Now the PictureMate photos come out a little tiny bit damp, so if you wait a second, they dry instantly, but they are supposed to last like forever, and they're waterproof, which is lovely. I never had to really, but I guess if you got them in your scrapbooks and somebody spills or something like that, then you might be glad they're waterproof. And you might be thinking, well, it's much more expensive to print at home. Look at that. Wowza. Nice glossy finish. Nice. And it is more expensive to print at home. However, when I used to print from Snapfish or Shutterfly or whatever, I couldn't tell what pictures I was selecting because the choice window was so small. So I'd order like 200 pictures and use like, I don't know, 20 of them. So I don't really think I was saving anything. But anyway, this way works for me. So I hope you have a great day and like and subscribe. Thanks.